A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also. I do not support corruption. Corruption takes money away from children's education. It deprives hospitals of basic necessities. It means that roads are not fixed. Corruption deepens inequality. It siphons off taxpayers' money to make a few cronies richer with the political connections instead of benefiting the people. This government has been doing everything it can to weaken and undermine the Integrity Commission, which is an institution that I designed as Minister of Justice and brought the legislation to Parliament to fight corruption in this country. I have said it before and I will tell you again, Jamaica cannot move forward without a government built on integrity that embraces principles of good governance in this country.
Jamaicans, sama annoy the biggest race hypocrites on the planet.
Are the biggest race hypocrite on the planet? Someone is the biggest race hypocrite on the planet. Someone of prominent social media bloggers and social media personals, content creators. I'm hear you loud and clear. Unu is some of the most hypocritical race on the planet. America must come get Andrew. Investigate Andrew. Andrew push dictatorship, government badness. Yeah, man. And know that the Venezuelan people don't deserve to ask for the same thing too. Imagine you live in a tyranny for 27 years and dictatorship. You get light 3 hours a day. You get water for 3 hours. You get internet for 1 hour. Then the government turn it off. Imagine if Andrew was doing that too. No? But now, the Venezuelan people are suffer. We never hear them cry a long time. Why Joe Biden opened the border? That millions of them could have crossed the border into America. So now, the very same America will not call and to come get Andrew. Never uno me see I say, send the FBI, America for sending the FBI. The FBI isn't it America organization? It and the CIA? Isn't that America? That is the same America. You're asking for come get Andrew, you know. Who the same one? Make that sink in. Can me never tell a lie. Make that sink in. Who is the same race? Asking America for come get Andrew. And the Venezuelan people do the same thing. And America will liberate them. The people then finally I get a little glimpse of hope for them country. A little glimpse of freedom. that them want. Some of them children is 27-year-old and don't know what freedom look like. Imagine you have to line up for going to the supermarket to buy food and you only can buy just for the week or just for the day. And you tell me soon, me not support no country, invade no country. But if the people of that country, the citizens, 80% of them voted against Nicolas Maduro. And the man lose the election, you know. The man lose the election and say, nah, give up power. Let me tell you, remember Andrew only said, opposition don't need it. In Venezuela, the opposition them, if them talk too tough, then go to jail, you know. Most of them in a jail. 16,000 of them is in jail. And who in a jail have to flee the country. And who get to flee have to stay very low under the radar. So, if this morning when I look on my live, I see the Venezuelan people out in the streets in Venezuela in the millions celebrating, then who is we not to feel happy for them? Listen, me not care how freedom given. Me not care how me get it as long as me get it. But watch you know. Some of them mad with America because you go to the embassy, losing the application fee because you don't get no visa. So you talk bad about America. But watch some of them, while you talk bad about America, you do no marriage fraud to get papers for live in America, don't it? But let me tell you something. The shit you want to put on the internet, no matter how you delete it, it still stay there in the archive and the cloud. So when you go for a green card and you go for a citizenship, wherever you go for application for apply for America visa, when them put up that, it will tell them who you is. So you still have to get denied. Some are just so mad with America because you don't get to come. Why not try to go to a country where you don't like? Make sense of that. Let that soak in. Let that soak in. Me soon Jamaicans. Biggest hypocrites on the planet. Come get Andrew. America get Andrew. So why don't want America to come kidnap Andrew? Why? Why don't want America to kidnap Andrew? Because you know like some things that Andrew do, don't it? Because Andrew push dictatorship pound and government badness, don't it? Don't it? But you don't want to stay over here, sir, and condemn America if you go help the people of Venezuela. While you don't turn on ask America if you come get Andrew. Make sense of that? How hypocritical on the race is. How hypocritical you is. Who don't see one way want America to grab Andrew and grab Harris Chang and grab Daryl Vaz. Me hear all the time. When America I'm gonna pick them up. Uno fit chill. Uno hypocritical people, uno fit chill. Uno fit easy on yourself. Uno fit chill. Me I ride with the people of Venezuela. I don't care the fuck how they get them freedom. Them feel free and them feel happy. That's what matters. You get a glimpse of hope, a glimpse of freedom. You see a new day for your country. Yeah. Don't you say Andrew thief the election? And him to go to jail? Me soon all the time if you go to jail. So why Nicolas Mendoza not to go to jail? For the murder, the people, every time the Venezuelan people rise up, in same soldier and police go shoot them down. 500 of them dead in a one protest. At least Andrew da shoot down 500 down in a street in one day, don't it? Me not take up for Andrew, you know, because I don't like Andrew. I said so.
A rifle in a no built up area. You're not supposed to use on a handgun or something like that then. And that no means you don't need to go out and analyze everybody. Want to, you know, want to fire a warning shot or anything like that. That not work anymore. By the rate of Jamaica go soon and very soon. You hear me? The young youth them analyze themselves. And the law enforcement they're on a mission, youth. Me I tell you no, they're on a mission. You don't need to look into yourself. Because 2026 are going to be well serious. You hear me? Them people are on a different mission. Them people are come to analyze everything. You see me? I don't know who send them, but it look like so we got some people who are in charge of the country. We hate the people them. You hear me? Because we can't use fire with fire to get anywhere. It not go work. What do you want? You understand me? Yeah, me know that, but when me say if you use big man, here we are going now. I do understand where you say Panther, Black Panther. I know about your target and stuff like that. But we are talking about CQB and you are working at urban. You understand me? You are accuracy we are deal with. Point blank. Not where they behind it. Finish. Not where they behind it, you understand me? So that's why if you use a smaller rifle, you understand me? That's why if it, and that's why you got Recce. That's why you got Recce. That's why the army got their reconnaissance platoon where them send out. If you know who in their building. When I do, when I just get up and go out there and just see one building and you see some bad man there night and just run at it. You don't know who in their building. Where they got a reconnaissance platoon in the army to go out and gather information. That's why they got CTAC. And they go out for 1, 2, 3 days. 1, 2, 3 weeks. And they get up the information. Them see who are going to their building and who are come out to their building. So they got a clear understanding of who in their building when they're ready for launching operation. And when I tell me, say, man, we can't walk at the end of the day, them wrong. See? Them wrong at the end of the day. Them got all the tools for use to get things right. What you got? I'll give you a spoon. What happened?
I don't like them.
Well, that's the only one which is here. Which one do you want?
I would like them.
That's the only one which is here. This one go around here. We are trying to use too much excuse in this whole thing. You understand me? Too much excuse we are trying to use. CQB the man them a use. You can't fire high power rifle in a built up area, an urban area. You're not supposed to do that. You got a little hand piece of gun and that's how you use and you walk through and you got it in front of you like this. You understand me? Because you know exactly where you go for. You saw me the pan and I fire high power rifle and see you know, unfortunately we know in an incident like this, kids and innocent bystanders are going to be victim. But what me I say, we need to get this thing right from the get-go and we get it wrong from the get-go. You understand me? The soldier them need to know say here what go on. These people who are alive, they are your brothers and sisters in Jamaica. You hear me? And the youth them to know say the wickedness will not get up to the need to stop it. You hear me? Everybody need to come to a truce and come up with a plan. Because here what go on. This 2026 now go pretty people. You hear me? 2026 now go pretty. You see me the pan? Because the police them now hold no meds. The soldier them now hold no meds. You see me the pan? It can be me next and it can be you next. So we have to come out and talk about them things. We want the law people them to do them work. We not stop them from doing their work. But when them do the work and they make mistake, we have to come out and call it out. You understand me? Officers, if you not go operate in a close, you understand me? If you not go operate in a built up area, you no need to come back and practice on a CQB. You understand me? So you can get the original target when you intend to go for. The Recce platoon or CTAC or whoever they want to be out there, when you go out on a reconnaissance and out there for days, you're not supposed to can tell who are coming to the building there, who are go to the building there. What time they come in, what time they go out. If a man, woman, young, whoever, and you get down the information and you're supposed to can identify who you look for. How them operate? How much of them are roll together? 2 or 3 of them are roll in or roll out. Them operate in a vehicle, them are going at different time. When them do them look like them organized, them look like them what happened? At the end of the day, so you know who not deal with. You know just send police and soldier going to some area blind, they look like. The man them don't know where them are going to. So when they go in, them don't know if to respond to the danger will come at them. You hear me? Them don't know if to respond, because them not got no, it look like them not, to me, it look like them don't have no first-hand information. It don't look like nobody are going to do no groundwork. People just hear what go on down a John Lane. The man then got some big rifle down there, we go down there, we go do anything at all, we just go flatten them. We cannot work like that, Jamaica. We cannot work like that. You see me the pan? We can't work like that any at all. We have to got more to it. Remember, say every youth to jump out of Jamaica, our youth them. You understand me? Our youth them be. The officers them, if we don't need to go retrain, we don't need to retrain. The JDF man them, if we don't need to go practice some more CQB and how to deal with these areas, the commanders them, make sure so not actually know what they do. Make sure so not understand no card Alpha and no card Bravo. Canvas on still operate under that. On still operate on the British system. You understand me? And the man them will charge, you know, at the end of the day. And soldier, they go tell you, no brother. Remember, say when you go out there and do certain things, remember, not upon their own. Remember, say the army not even for help on the lawyer fee, they not help on the wood. Because they say they train on if you do the right thing. So they know what you do. Remember, these people when you go out there, some of the time them is just a human being. You understand me? No for you, them get caught up in the things where them really and truly never want to get caught up. But I just the way how things set with them and they get caught up.
And I'm laying down the law in the craziest courtroom game ever. In my court, you and your crew become part of the most outrageous cases while I maintain order. All you need is your voice, your phone, and some friends to bring the chaos to my courtroom. Courtroom Chaos starring Snoop Dogg, where you freestyle the cases and I drop the aces. Download the Luna app on Fire TV or compatible smart TV, included with Prime. Whoop, what?
Lucifer, son of the morning, I'm gonna chase you out of earth.
It's a matter upon the people. So if the army need to retrain the soldier them, how to deal, remember no jungle warfare not deal with. One want high power rifle fire through tree and building or something. You understand me? I built up here and not going on. You see me the pan? So you're supposed to be more precautious. You're not supposed to have plan for the unexpected when you enter a house. Anybody at all can do it. I don't expect you can sit through a wall. I don't expect you can see in a room or something like that. But come on. At the end of the day, we can't just analyze the older youth them in a country like this. What you want to say? None of them youth ever get involved in a crime and violence. There's no way back for them. They can't be rehabilitated back into society. To become a plumber, to become an electrician, to become a carpenter, to become a builder. What we just continue to just push them out. As soon as we hear them do something wrong, we just push them out. Me no come here and defend them. You understand me? At the end of the day, if a man do wrong, he's supposed to get wrong. And if a man do right, he's supposed to get right. But unfortunately, a lot of innocent people right now bite the dust. A lot of innocent youth, and some youth are not innocent. You understand me? So you see the youth them out there wanna go on no badness, brother. 2026 is not a year for it, it's a different year. You hear me? The man them not play around. The man them a fire, and the man them don't ask question after. More than a year, say at the end of the day, no family come pay for and go bury you, and that's it. No investigation. You see me the pan? So I don't even looking on yourself. There's no government who can fix Jamaica. No government, no Andrew, no Mark Golden can fix Jamaica. And we the people have to fix Jamaica. No Andrew and no Mark can fix Jamaica. And no government now come from overseas can fix Jamaica for it. Because for them country, them not care about that. So we have to care about our country and fix our own country. Let's wake up and let's work together and let's fix this thing together. Let's stop and walk and depend on these people to fix things so it can not happen, people. It not go happen. All I youth them, we are deal with certain things and put it on and put it one side. 2026, when you see we're going to El Sam, when you see we're going to Venezuela, I just start away for come. This video shows that here we are going. Anyhow at all, them want Jamaica to do something on Jamaica. Anyhow at all, them want Andrew to do something right now. Andrew now do them just come and take over your country. Then just come and capture Andrew Holness and capture Juliet. And Karen go lock them up and them just put in a leader. People, we're in a very serious time right now. People are flex them power and show us here we are going. This is not no joke thing. You understand me? Mr. Vaz, you better watch yourself. Donald Trump go for people when say involved in a certain type of business now. And I can't go America. So you see if you name in the panelist, Mr. Vaz, they'll write the Minister of Security, Mr. Chang. We used to name the person on list. And you can't get no visa for go America because of a certain reason. And you better watch yourself. America start pick up some people who them feel so them want to pick up. You understand me? Trump really gone crazy. Man don't really care no more, to be honest with the people. So yeah, what go on. Youth, you better look into yourself and make sure so we do the right things. And stuff and sit down up and wait for a country to come and save we. Because that not happen. No country not come save we. And we have to save ourselves. Remember me telling you that. If we not save ourselves, we get a beat now there. You see it? So this is the man when they put over FID. And this man say at the end of the day, since him there FID, him no look on the Prime Minister case up until now. Because he want to keep himself clear of it. Because of conflict of interest and because of what the public has said. So this clearly show me say here what go on. So what is your purpose then, sir? If you not going to look on that case. So who are going to look on it for the people then? Are the people going to look on it for themselves or what? Can we don't know? You understand me? We don't know who are going to look on the case then. Because you don't know about the case. So with your expertise when you say you have and stuff like that, you go over there now. But would I hope and pray so you could have looked on it. And if anything needs to get fixed up, you get fixed up one way or the other. But you know look like that to go happen in Jamaica. You understand me? You know look like that to go happen. Alexa turn down to 30%. You know look like that to go happen any at all. Alexa turn down. You know look like that to go happen anytime soon. You hear me? We have to start look how we. We have to start look how we Jamaica. You understand me? See that? You see a post put up what here. We are man saying by 3.5 pound of Trenton. Some people not eat it, some people eat it. 21,000 people. 21,000 Jamaican dollar. The man saying pay for 3.5 pound of Trenton pork. Meat in a Jamaica. Jerk pork. You hear me? And you can get one whole pig for 25 or 30,000. If you don't eat, you don't eat it. 21,000 people out there want to stop from exploiting our fellow men in our country. And I put the things through the roof. People don't have it. You know, and we can't blame the government for this because I know Andrew always come out and tell them for price like that. I want to just wicked now myself. And I wonder why so every time they build up a jerk start and after a little while the jerk, we don't have nothing more for jerk and sell. You understand me? Can run yourself out of business. Or you get up and sell 3.5 pound of jerk pork for 21,000 Jamaican dollar. All that add up. How you put their pork so? How you import the wood them from views and jerky the coal them? How you imported pork you know? Come on man. You understand me? You can't do better than that. I don't know how far in Jamaica. I don't know if I sent I don't know how far in Jamaica that talking about. 21,000 for 3.5 pound of Trenton. To all the people who eat pork. If you don't eat, you just say go talk about everything. You understand me? And that does some of the price of the things. And then you got on the opposite side again. You got people go out there after the hurricane, put in their farm, plant any amount of cucumber St. Elizabeth and post a video. And them can't get no sale for it. Reason being people. Because the people them import cucumber come in their country, importing one whole heap of cucumber in their country. And then now go around and find out how much people potentially have cucumber plant are coming such and such time. So they flood the market with overseas cucumber. You understand me? So the local farmer them lose again. The hurricane beat them lose everything. Then go out there and plant some crop, then get the crop and then they got no sale for it. And where's the Minister of Agriculture and all of this? He probably look about the next contract. See, he probably look about the next contract to import some more cucumber come in their country. Because they don't care about their local farmer then. And then they come out every day and they encourage people to farm. And when people farm, especially ascenti, tomato, melon, cucumber, honeydew, cantaloupe, sweet pepper. All of them something that if you get to the wrong time of the year, you don't make no money. You spend any amount of money and dog no want it, no bad no want it. You understand me? And then people that if you go look sale. Who if you go look sale? Where you find sale from? You see me? We expect say at the end of the day if we got a surplus, we can send some of it out of our country somewhere else. We can export some of it then. If that's be the case, so the man can make some money, but you don't know our system set up no people is a different system. It's a different system of people. But me I tell you, say 2026, now gonna be a normal year. I start off very rough already. Cause see there?
Jamaican people want better. Economy coming like stormy weather. Ancestors are turning on them grave. They can tell me how we can do it together. When we look at the future of precipice, we see Jamaica needs the vision of the PNP. People said the bag of promises them can't carry go shop. And the crime rate getting high. I wonder when it all goes stop comrades. Jamaican people want better. Economy coming like stormy weather. Ancestors are turning on them grave. We can tell me how
The proceeding was brought to you by the People's National.
You elect a prime minister, and is a prime minister run the country. It is time we learn to hold our leaders accountable for their actions and stop making excuses for them. Stop making excuses. Otherwise, go elect the people who really run in the country. And I don't want the right start that stupid argument. Hold the people you elect accountable and stop making excuses for them.